Hello.
With one answer, with one thing that I can say in this job, everything is going to be swapped out. Water heater is going to be swapped out with a fully electric system. Furnace is going to be swapped out. We're going to have an ERV system in here too. That's an exciting project. I'm excited for it. And I think the customer is going to be, hopefully, very happy with the results. This is our air handler system. We got our coil right behind here, which is connected to the heat pump unit outside. We have our auxiliary heater here. This is also performed by a master electrician. They need to connect the wiring to the electrical panel. We're just working on the finishing and the commissioning of the job. So we'll provide you an update as soon as we're finished. Okay, so the project is now completed. We are at a stage where, as you can see, our heat pump water heating system, our client actually has a unique ask, which is he has it set on only heat pump operation. So the backup heating, which is auxiliary heater, which consumes the more electricity, is completely off. We'll see how this works in a few months. We'll follow up with him. We've got our beautiful Mitsubishi Zuba fan coil air handling system with a bottom return air, and on top of here we got the ERV system. As the homes become a lot more tighter, the more and more usage of ERV systems and HRV systems within Canadian homes are going to be more popular. So this is a great way for our customer to grab exterior fresh air with taking out the stale air within the space out. So it's a great ventilation system for tighter homes within the Canadian marketplace.